Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss next topic of chapter physical and chemical change. As we know that in previous class we had discussed the operation of vaporization of water is a physical change. Okay, but today we will discuss melting of solid and freezing of a liquid are physical change. How? Let's see here. Melting of solid and freezing. When any solid starts melts or starts freezing of liquid, let's see here. Suppose this is solid, it's converted into what? Liquid. It's converted into liquid. When this solid converts to liquid, it is heated. When it is heated. Okay, when you heat this solid, then this solid or suppose this ice is converted into liquid. But when it cool, when it cools means when you increase the temperature, then it converted to liquid. When you decrease the temperature means cool. When you start cooling, then it converted to solid. Clear? Now, during any change of state, the composition of substance remains unchanged. Means जो composition होगा इसका change नहीं होगा. Suppose this is ice, ice को आप liquid में convert किए तो liquid से फिर ये सॉलिड में कन्वर्ट हुआ या सॉलिड से फिर लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट हुआ. इन बोथ केसेस व्हाट? इन बोथ केसेस द कंपोजिशन ऑफ वाटर इज नॉट चेंजेस बिकॉज इन बोथ केसेस दिस इज द वाटर. देयर इज नो चेंज इन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. कोई केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी चेंज नहीं होगा एंड द चेंज कैन बी इजीली रिवर्स बाय चेंजिंग द टेंपरेचर. मींस देखिए चेंज इजीली रिवर्स हो जा रही है. मींस दिस इज अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज एंड दिस इज नोन एज फिजिकल चेंज. व्हाट मीन्स ये रिवर्स कर रहे, सॉलिड से लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट, लिक्विड से सॉलिड में कन्वर्ट. क्लियर? The melting of solid and freezing of liquid is a physical change. Means this shows that this is a what? This is a physical change. Now next topic is sublimation. You know that sublimation is what? Sublimation is a process in which when solid directly converts into gases. कोई भी solid body directly convert हो जाता है gas. Means when solid directly converted into gaseous state. Okay, clear? This process is known as sublimation. When this converted, when you start heat, means when solid directly converted into gases, then process is known as sublimation. Clear? And when this gases again convert into solid, this process is known as solidification. Okay, means this process is also what? This is a reversible. So this is a physical change. Okay. Now class, there is some question: which property of water change during its evaporation? Which property of water changes during its evaporation? Evaporation के दौरान कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी वाटर की चेंज होती है? मीन्स कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी? द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ स्टेट. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ स्टेट. स्टेट इज चेंज ओनली. मीन्स इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू लिक्विड टू गैस. Which of the following are a physical change? For photosynthesis, preparing sugar solution from sugar, melting of wax. Which of the following are physical change? The photosynthesis is a chemical change. Preparing of sugar solution from sugar and melting of wax. The melting of wax is a physical change and preparing sugar solution from sugar. What? This is a physical or chemical? This is also a physical change. Clear? Okay. Means melting of wax is a physical change here. What kind of change the opening of living being is? What kind of change the opening of living being is? Aging of living being is. Aging of living is a what? It's physical change or chemical change? It is a chemical change because, or we can say not chemical change, we can say that it is an irreversible change. It is an irreversible. जिसकी एज बढ़ गई वो एज कम नहीं होगी. That's why it is an irreversible change. And what is the liquid left after utilization called? that liquid is after crystallization, liquid is called after crystallization. After crystallization, mother liquor, okay, that is known as mother liquor. After crystallization, the liquid is liquid left. It is called mother liquor. Mother liquor. Mother liquor. Clear? Mother liquor. Now next, name a substance that sublimates on heating. Name the substance. Means sublimation का एक example. What is that? That is a camphor. Camphor. नाम सुना होगा? Camphor is what? जिसको आप लोग कपूर कहते हैं. That is a camphor. Okay? Means answer 5 is camphor. Understood? Okay, noted. Okay, I hope you noted it. So I'll rub this. Okay, now next is the chemical change. Chemical change. What is chemical change? Simply we can say that the change in which the substance chemically change means the properties of that component chemically change means in chemical composition. In chemical composition, the substance can change. Then that change is known as chemical change. Means the change in which the properties of substances chemically change means or chemical properties of that substance change, we can say that chemical change. Clear? Suppose there is an example, means milk converted into curd. Okay, milk converted into curd means in milk there is the other property. Milk contain other property and curd will contain other property. Milk is sometimes the taste of milk is like sweet and not totally sweet but somehow sweet. But curd is a what? Curd is a sour in taste. Means what? The properties of that both changes. Okay? Means this change is milk converted to curd and this change is known as chemical change. Clear? Understood? Now, next is we can say that a change in which composition and chemical properties of substance change. A change in which composition and chemical properties of substance change, then that type of change is known as chemical change. Understood? Now there is some many examples: burning of candle, formation of curd from milk, electrolysis of water, rusting of iron, ripening of fruits, bursting of cracker, cooking of food, digestion of food, germination of seeds, and respiration by living organism. Okay? These are the chemical change. Now what is the characteristics of chemical change? Now we will discuss characteristics of chemical change. Clear? Characteristics of chemical change. All chemical change shows the following characteristics. During a chemical change, new substance with different properties are formed. During a chemical change, new substance. This here is a new substance. This is new substance is formed during a chemical change with new properties. इसकी properties भी इससे अलग होगी. Understood? Now next is chemical change or permanent change. Means this is not a reversible change. Okay? Relative large amount of heat is either absorbed or evolved. Means during this change, the large amount of heat absorbed or evolved. Means the change is either endothermic or exothermic. Chemical change occur only under proper condition. Under proper condition. In addition to hepatitis R, one of the more following may also occur in a chemical change. Energy is in the form of light. Sound may also be produced. Energy in the form of light, sound may also be produced. For example, during burning of food, coal, kerosene, एलपीजी etc. heat and light are produced. आप देखे होंगे ये सब चीज जलाने पे coal, petroleum, kerosene, the heat is produced. And when anything is burned, then that change is a chemical change. Then that change is a chemical change. आप कोई भी चीज जलाते हैं, that is a chemical change. Okay? There may be color change. For example, carbon dioxide is evolved when drop of dilute acid is dropped over a line. Okay? A precipitate may be formed. Precipitate बन सकता है. For example, when carbon dioxide gas is passed through a line water, white precipitate is formed. Means when CO2 gas is passed through line water, then white precipitate is formed. White precipitate is formed. Clear? White precipitate is formed. Understood? These are the examples. Okay? Now, some types of chemical change. Why is the rusting of iron considered a chemical change? Why is the rusting of iron considered a chemical change? Let's see here. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. What is your rusting? Rusting of iron is chemical change. Why? First, know that what is rusting. Rusting is a phenomenon when iron is exposed to moisture. Okay? Moisture means what? Is in contact with what? Water plus air. Means water and oxygen. Then it converted into rust. And this iron is converted into rust. Means this Fe react with what? Water and form what? And form this Fe react with water and form rust. Clear? Why is rusting of earth chemical change? Because you know that chemical change is a irreversible change. It cannot be reversed. Means when iron is converted into rust, then rust is not converted into iron. Okay, that's why it is a chemical change. Clear? And the chemical composition of iron is also changed. Means that's why it is also a chemical change. Understood? And the coloring of iron, this is also changed. When iron is a reddish brown color and rust is blackish brown color. Okay? Clear? Why is burning of candle considered a chemical change? Why rusting of burning of candle is a chemical change? Because during burning, the wax starts burning. And I said that if anything is burn, then it is a chemical change. Then it is a chemical change. Means burning of candle is also a chemical change. Then the why cooking of food is considered a chemical change, because during cooking of food, the food products, the food or vegetables or anything is there, it starts burn. Okay, and the chemical composition of that food is changed, and then that is not a reversible change. That's why we can say that this is a what? This is a chemical change. Understood? Same here. Curding of milk considered chemical change. Curding of milk converted into curd. This is also explained it. Okay. Now next is why digestion of food considered chemical change. Digestion of food considered chemical change. Why is melting of butter to make ghee considered a chemical change? Means these are the process when we anything starts burn and is change. Okay, and if anything is burning, then there is a chemical change. Okay, and all these changes are not reversible. This is a irreversible change. That's why it is a chemical change. Okay. Difference between physical and chemical change you have to read here in your book from book page number 89. The given it is given physical change and chemical change. You have to read here. Okay, the difference between physical and chemical change. Now there is a oral question. So we will discuss first oral question. Okay, magnesium ribbon is burned in air. Name the wire residue left after the reaction. When magnesium ribbon is burned, it forms magnesium oxide. Means your answer is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Okay, you have to write this magnesium oxide. Now give one example of change which involve both physical and chemical change. Burning of candle. This answer is burning of candle. Okay, means burning of wax is a what? Burning of wax or thread is a chemical change, and melting of wax is a physical change. That's why the second answer is burning of candle. Third, which property of substance change during chemical change? During change, which property? Chemical properties. Right? Chemical properties. Identify the chemical change from the list given below. Burning of cooking gas, sublimation of ammonium chloride, sublimation of ammonium chloride, okay, dissolving sugar in water. Which type of chemical, which type of chemical change from the list? The burning of cooking gas, this is also a chemical change, and sublimation of ammonium chloride is a physical change, and dissolving sugar in water is also a physical change. Means your answer is burning of cooking gas. Okay, and which may occur during a chemical change? Mention one. Which may occur during a chemical change? Mention one. Which may occur. What may occur during? Sorry, question is what may occur during a chemical change. Means during a chemical change, chemical properties are changed. Chemical properties are changed. Clear? Understood? So note it. Okay, class. Now next topic is rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Okay. Rusting of iron. The formation of brown powdery material on the surface of iron in the presence of moist air is called a rusting of iron. बता चुका हूँ मैं rusting of iron. Iron when exposed to moist air gets converted to a layer of brown powder material called rust. Okay. Rust is mainly hydrated iron third oxide. It's commonly called ferric oxide. The chemical reaction means you know that what most important is the chemical reaction. So you have to write or learn here what is the chemical reaction and write here from here chemical reaction. That is what means first iron is converted into react with oxygen means from air and plus water from air means from air it takes water and from air it takes oxygen and this converted into hydrated iron third oxide. Okay, hydrated iron third oxide and is known as rust. This is known as rust. What is the chemical composition? If you write chemical composition, then Fe plus O2 plus H2O and then it form Fe2O3 dot XH2O. What is Fe? And this is the first balance it 4Fe 3O2 XH2O and 2Fe3 means चार एटम्स आयरन के 3 मॉलिक्यूल ऑक्सीजन के and number of molecule of water is changeable. It is changeable. That's why we will here write X. Then it converted into 2Fe2O3 dot XH2O. Clear? Means formula is Fe2O3 dot H2O and 2 is the whole molecules of Fe2O3 dot XH2O. Means if anyone asks what is the formula of rust, then you can say that Fe2O3 dot XH2O, not 2. You have to not say that 2Fe2O3. You have to say that Fe2O3 डॉट XH2O. क्लियर? ये आप 2 नहीं बोलेंगे, केवल फॉर्मूले में Fe2O3 डॉट XH2O कहेंगे. क्लियर? कंडीशन अंडर विच रस्टिंग टेक प्लेस. किस कंडीशन में रस्टिंग होती है? तो आयरन डज नॉट रस्ट इन एयर, ड्राई एयर. ड्राई एयर में आयरन कभी रस्ट नहीं करेगा. आयरन डज नॉट रस्ट इन ऑक्सीजन फ्री प्योर वाटर. प्योर वाटर जिसमें ऑक्सीजन ना हो उसमें भी आयरन रस्ट नहीं करेगा. मींस आयरन के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? आयरन के लिए कंडीशन फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है कि उसको क्या हो, मिले ऑक्सीजन मिले. क्लियर? ऑक्सीजन के साथ साथ उसे वाटर भी मिलना चाहिए. ठीक? वाटर मतलब 2 कंडीशन, फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन, सेकंड इज वाटर. अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज द 2 कंडीशन, ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर. ओके. Now class, in next class we will discuss the prevention of rusting and next topic. Clear? Okay, thank you to everyone.